Hi and welcome. Today we're going to tackle relocating the compost bins into a currently overgrown section of the garden. While we are tidying both areas, we'll take the opportunity to add a couple of flower beds which should bloom in spring. A bunch of damaged fencing hiding in the undergrowth. This spot will do for the compost bins. Yet another roll of fencing. This may come in useful, so I'll store it for later. This tree is a weed and has to go. One good yank and it should come out. Or more than one. Clear out more roots and stones to provide a flat area for the compost bins to sit on. Time to dismantle and move the compost bins with the aid of my excellent helpers. Now for the other one.
Going on fire. Okay, that's good.
Time to make nettle soup for the compost. We realised that it would be a good idea to stir the compost. This would have made more sense to do before filling the compost bins. Ah well. Now to tackle where the compost bins were. Let's knock the ground into submission. In case you're wondering, we are taking the clumps of grass and earth out. We are also going to weed and remove any big stones. It is coming together. Now let's make a border. Base is done, time for some compost. Time for a sprinkle of magic dust. Let's plant. We are adding some tulips. They go in this way up, apparently. With the tulips, we will add a mix of ranunculi. Oh, how pretty! You have to soak them for a morning before planting. Dig a hole about half a hand in depth. Add some ranunculi. Cover back up and cross your fingers. For the tulips, dig a decent sized hole. Put the bulbs in. Fill and wait for spring. Add some water and we are done.